Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete your entire Google Chrome browsing history. So first, let's delete your history directly from Google Chrome. So you need to open the Chrome application first and ensure that you're ready to proceed, as deleted history cannot be recovered. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome application, then select Settings. From this page, go to Privacy and Security. Now select Delete Browsing Data. Here, select the time range from the top. I'm going to go ahead and select last hour. You can also go ahead and check the box of browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. Then tap on delete data, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and you'll be done. Even after clearing your Chrome history, it might be stored in your Google account. So to delete it from there, you need to open a new tab, go to google.com, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner, then select Manage Your Google Account option and go to Data and Privacy. Then scroll down and select View My Activity. Then select Delete and select your time range and confirm your deletion. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.